Camille. I'm a singer and voice teacher with 30daysinger.com. Here are the 4 most common mistakes I see beginners making and what to do instead. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. It'll really help us out. These 4 mistakes are 1. Neglecting head voice or falsetto function. 2. Worrying about the high notes. 3. Choosing too advanced material. And 4. Being unwilling to sound weird. First up, neglecting your head voice. Singers think that in order to have strong, powerful high notes, they need to just keep using their chest or speaking voice and just push it up, up, up. That does not work. We need the flexibility and the lightness of head voice in order to extend our range and sing powerful high notes. If you're a brand new singer, you might not know this, so your head voice is just a different muscular function within the vocal folds. It also has a different resonance and a different sound. So if you go like this with me, pretend like you're an owl. Hoo, hoo. That's your head voice, as opposed to your chest voice or your speaking voice. Hey, hey, hoo, hoo. So if you're a beginning singer, don't neglect your head voice. Even if you don't anticipate that you're going to sing in head voice very much, depending on the style or the genre that you sing, still you want the flexibility, the stretch, the lightness of head voice. Second mistake is worrying about the high notes. I'm guilty of this one too. But oftentimes with beginning singers, I'll be vocalizing them. We'll be doing some sort of kind of cuckoo clock exercise like a cuckoo, but they will get overly concerned with that high note coming out clearly, and they'll start to squeeze up and strain, and they'll sing cuckoo. The tone is not nice, it doesn't feel good, and it doesn't actually help them get that high note. So my advice to those singers and to you is to worry less about whether that high note comes out or not. Just air might come out. You might be singing cuckoo, and that's okay. That's not a bad thing. Either way, I want you to be relaxed. So go into exercises like that with a posture of, I'm going to relax, I'm not going to stress out about the high note, and if it pops out, great. If just air comes out, that's okay. I'm going to try again, but I'm going to stay relaxed. Third common mistake beginning singers make is choosing repertoire, choosing songs that are too advanced for their current skill level. If a song has pitches that you physically cannot reach without hurting yourself, that's what I would call too advanced. But if a song has pitches that are almost reachable, or you can hit them, you just want them to sound a little bit better, that's a good level of challenge. I think it's really important to have songs at different levels of difficulty. So you can have songs that are pretty easy for you to sing, that either you sing for fun or you focus on phrasing, interpretation, stylization. There's a lot to work on with even easy songs. Then you can have songs that are a little bit of a challenging. So like I said, you can almost hit those notes, or you can hit them, you just want them to sound a little better. What we want to avoid is choosing songs that are so far outside our comfort zone that we end up getting discouraged and we give up. We don't want that. And fourth common mistake I see is being unwilling to sound weird. Here's an example. For a student who is really straining, shouting, their voice is cracking, it's very unstable, we might give an exercise like a dopey mum. And the reason for that dopey sound is it gets our larynx in a lower position, and it's nearly impossible to over-squeeze or to shout with a low larynx. So there's a purpose for that silly sound. But when a student is unwilling to make those silly or weird noises, they actually inhibit their progress. Another example would be your kind of bratty nay, 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 those kind of sounds. Now, it's not pretty, but it can really help a singer who's struggling to maintain chord closure. So if you're a singer who's going, ah, and you're breaking into a breathy head voice, those bratty sounds can really help your vocal folds stay together. And if you're unwilling to make those silly sounds, the dopey sounds, the cuckoo clock sound, the bratty sound, you will inhibit your progress. What would you like to see more of? Let us know in the comments. Visit 30daysinger.com for easy step-by-step singing lessons.